Hello guys. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. This is Network Mass. Today I want to lead you through various ways to get rid of some log files on your PC. It's very important because those log files stored on your PC, you're not using them for anything. They are there to consume disk space on your machine. And as well, I will also teach you how to the app or the software that you need to clear caches on your RAM as well. So follow me through as I lead you through those areas. So first of all, we'll start by going to your this PC, or you see this icon here, go to it. This PC, double click it. When you get to your C drive, double click on it. You'll see this window pops up. When you see this one, you go to Windows. When you get to Windows, double click on Windows. Double click on Windows. Then you look for distribution, software distribution. This is it. Software distribution. Then you double click it. When you see all these data, look for download. When you get to download, double click on download. You see so many useless files here which you must get rid of. All right, so when you are done getting rid of this one, go to the next step. I want you to click your Windows icon plus R. When you do so, this run window will pop up. When the RAM windows pops up, what you're going to do here is to, you see, this is percentage temp and percentage. Percentage, temp and percentage. When it comes like that, then you click on OK. You see so many useless logs, files that are stored on your PC. So as you can see, when you roll it downwards, you see so many log files that are stored here, which are unnecessary for your machine. You are not using them, neither are you counting on them for anything. So they are just stored there. So you have to get rid of it. So you click on, you hold Control plus A to select all, then Control plus D to get rid of all of them. Control key plus D to get rid of them. You are done. You click this one, the same place. Click on the same window plus R. Bring it back. I want you to type prefetch. I hope you can see prefetch. 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 This is another site too where useless files get stored. So click on continue. So you can see Control A to select and Control D to delete. After that, settings again. Go to settings, click on this icon here, the Windows icon. Go to your settings. When the settings comes, you look for privacy. Click on privacy. When you get here, click on location. Then scroll down to create. DNS. Okay, so then you will hit enter. So they say successfully flash the DNS resolver caches. So when you're done, you click, come to the search box as well. I want you to look for recovery. Type recovery. When you see the recovery, click on it. When this window pops up, you're going to do something here. So I want you to click on configure system restore. Click on it. When you click on this, you see you're going to see this window. What you're going to do here is you click on the C drive, then you come to configure, click on configure. You see that it has been created. System recovery has been created already. This is so you just delete it. Get it deleted. You see the option here is attend all system protection. Will protect you from future damage or fault that perhaps you are trying to do some changes or install some things and that will lead to a problem with your machine. And your machine is malfunctioning. You install it. So when you turn it on, it's very important that when you come to system recovery, you will see that it has automatically created recovery this thing for you so that you restore your system back to its best performance. But otherwise, you wish or you want to disable that system performance protection, thereby reducing the rate of memory consumption. You can disable it so that it will not restore automatically by itself unless manually you do so. So as you get it deleted, it has run to 0 bytes. Okay, so when you're done, click OK and leave this place. Now one of them, we are going to clear spaces on your these caches on your RAM. So when you go to this place, at this place, click on look for task manager. Task manager. Go to task manager. As you can see, you go to performance. Click performance. You see click on the first one. So RAM map is the app that you're going to use to clear your RAM caches. So you scroll down, you see download RAM map. So it just says download it. Hit on download. When you download it, you click on it, show in folder. Show in folder. Then you right click it. So I want to open the task manager for you to compare what I'm going to do here in the result. Let me minimize the task manager. Okay, so when you click on the RAM, okay. You see the caches. Sometimes it will reduce, sometimes it will go up, but we are going to play it here. So in this window, I hope you can see very well. So you see the empty here, click on empty, and come to empty standby list. So when I click it, they're watching the caches. When I click, it's empty standby list. When I click it, you see it has changed. It has cleared it to 40. So you see it's running here. Something that was 1 gig plus. This software get it deleted. Now so many caches have been deleted. Alright. So make sure you keep this software just downloaded on your PC. When you are done, then your PC is cleared from lost files and caches by allowing your system to perform at its original state to your excitement. Alright, so that is it now. I hope this video helps you a lot and get your problem solved. And please do me a favor by liking my videos and also commenting under the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for new updates. And on this platform, I'll share so many things on this platform concerning your PC connectivity, internet, and so on and so forth. So thank you for your time. See you on another